guys, so as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing my hair care routine for you today. Quickly before I do this intro, I just realised that this room's really echoey, so if you can tell, I'm sorry. But anyways, if you've seen any of my other videos before, you might have seen that I put up a video of like tips and tricks of how to, one, grow your hair but also keep it healthy. But I did that video quite a while ago now, and there's a couple of little things that I've added into my routine that I never did before. And I also didn't actually show you the routine in that video, I just spoke about little tips and tricks. So I thought I'd come on here and show you my routine and all the products that I've been using lately. The routine that I'm showing you today is kind of the routine that I'll do every few weeks when I feel like my hair just needs a little bit extra care. And I am trying to grow out my hair. I've got it this long at the minute, but obviously I want it longer, so there are a couple products and little things that I do to help with the process of that. So apart from the products that I use for those parts, this is basically the routine that I'll do every other day. So my normal shower routine and how I dry my hair, and also how I curl it as well. I don't dry and style my hair on a regular day basis because obviously I'm trying to keep heat off of it, but for the purpose of this video, so that you can see how I do it when I do it, I put it in for you. So if you do want to see how I look after my hair and how I style it and all that type of stuff, please keep on watching, and I hope that you like it. Okay, so we're starting this routine off on the night before, as we're going to be leaving some stuff in overnight. So the first thing I'm going to do is detangle my hair, and you always want to remember to start from the ends and work your way up. And as you can see, my hair is greasy right now, so it's the perfect time to be applying some oil overnight. I'm going to be using the Jamaican Castor Oil and applying it all over, starting with my scalp and working it down. I love this stuff because not only is it amazing for keeping your hair healthy, it also helps your hair grow. So like I said, I'm just applying this all over and making sure I really work it into the scalp. Once I've applied it, I'm going to detangle my hair again so that it's ready to be put into some plaits. You could tie your hair in a bun if you wanted to, or just whatever to get it out of the way, but I like doing plaits as it also helps my hair to grow. And again, if you haven't seen my tips and tricks on how to grow my hair, definitely suggest checking that out. Anyways, I'm going to leave this in overnight so it can do its thing, and then I'll see you in the morning. Okay, so it's the next day and I can finally take this out, so I'm just undoing the plaits. And then just giving it a brush and jumping in the shower. So the first thing I'm doing is making sure I wash out all the oil from my hair. And then I'm just rinsing the water out and quickly towel dry my hair so that I'm ready for the next treatment. I'm going to be using Olaplex, and oh my god, this stuff is amazing. I'm not too sure exactly what it does, but I've been recommended this for years to help repair damaged and bleached hair, and it's so good. Every time I use this, my hair feels amazing, so I definitely recommend this product. Anyways, I'm just applying this all over and leaving it in for 10 minutes before washing it out. It's then time to wash my hair, and lately I've been loving the Herbal Essences shampoo, and at the moment I'm using the passion flower and rice milk scent. I'm going to be using quite a lot and making sure I really scrub my head and also wash the ends of my hair so I can get out any of the remainder product from the treatments I just used. And of course, following that up with the conditioner. Again, I always use quite a lot and I'm focusing it mainly on the ends, but I do apply it all over, even at the roots. I'm not going to bother leaving it in as we've already had a treatment, so I'm going to wash it out straight away and then we can jump out the shower. When I get out, I put my hair straight into a towel. I don't brush it or rub it or anything like that because the hair is like really delicate when it's wet. So I just shove it into a towel and let it air dry for as long as possible. So I'm going to go eat something and do my makeup and then I'll be back and ready to style it. Okay, so it's been a while and my hair is half dry, so it's time to blow dry it. But first I need to detangle my hair. So like I said earlier, I'm just starting from the ends and gently working my way up. And I'm also making sure that I put my parting in now so that it dries in place. I don't do anything special to blow dry my hair. I literally just tip my head upside down and let the hairdryer do its thing. For one, it's easier to do it this way, but I also find it quicker and it helps add like a little bit of volume to my roots. So I'm going to blow dry it completely and use my hand to make sure that it doesn't get too tangled. And after all that, my hair is a little windswept from not using a brush, so I'm going to quickly brush it and get any tangles out. But because I blow dry my hair upside down, it can sometimes fluff up the hair cuticles, which make your hair look damaged and like you have split ends. So to fix this, I'll blow dry it normally on a low temperature with a brush, making sure that the hairdryer is facing downwards so that the hair cuticles can be flattened. It's kind of hard to explain in a short amount of time, so I'm sorry if that doesn't make sense, but yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. But once that's done, I'm going to be giving it one last brush before going in with the straighteners and waving my hair. Again, kind of hard to explain, but I just go section by section, starting from the back, and I make sure I start the curl about halfway down my hair and it always goes away from my face. You could just leave it like this, but I like it looking a little bit more soft, so I always push out the curls and tuck one side behind my ear, and that is it for my hair care routine. Like I said at the start of the video, this specific hair routine is done every few weeks, and I also only try and style my hair when I really have to, but I wanted to show you the main things I do when my hair needs a little extra care, so I hope that you liked it. If you want any more tips, remember to go check out my other hair video, and that's it. I'm going to love you and leave you, and I'll see you next time with whatever I decide to do next. Bye guys.